People always ask, like, what makes you confident? I'm confident in one thing.
Hey guys, it's 9 o'clock and I made it to the library. I'm the only one in this bit, which is why I'm talking, but I'm whispering because I've never been inside this library before. And we're in April, basically May, so just gonna do some revision because I have like an informal test on I have an informal test on Thursday, so I just need to like get myself prepared. But yeah, and then also I have exams in May, so I've got to prepare for those too. But yeah, I'm just gonna be tucked up in a way. I just need to just very quickly rant. Basically, at uni we have these asymptomatic COVID tests just to make sure, you know, we don't have COVID. And there's currently only 2 of us in the house. And I got up early, like I did a workout. I'm not trying to boast or anything, but you know. So I got up early and I took the test just to make sure that I wouldn't have to take it to uni because I booked the library for 9 and the last time you can hand the tests in is 12. So because there's only 2 of us, I was like, okay, so my other housemate will take it because I was the first one to do it. I came back and it was still here. Bearing in mind I got back, because my session was only 2 hours, so I got back around 11:30, but like what if I decided to book an extra session? Then we would have missed the test this week. But there's just 2 of us. Like if you see one swab in there and you put the second one in, obviously that means that you're the last one to do it. But you know what? Maybe she just didn't see the group chat even though she read it, but maybe she just clicked. Ugh. Anyways, let me just say rant over. But I'm having a bagel now. Oh. Basically, I didn't want to cut it, and now I've burnt it. So, moral of the story is cut your bagels so that they fit in the freaking toaster. It literally looks like I dipped it in, well, I was going to say icing, but this would be some disgusting icing. But yeah, gonna snack on this. Gonna try and see if I can book another library session. Only going to the library twice in one day. Who is she? Ignore the hair. I say ignore the hair as I draw attention to the hair. I look like Elvis, but sorry I haven't really been speaking, like there's been nothing to say. Tomorrow is my friend Richelle's birthday, and hopefully then I'll have some interesting content to give you and I'll be actually speaking and stuff. But you know, like uni vlogs are all the same, they're all mundane, like just going about our business, trying to get this bread. So if you so I just did a workout, so on my face literally I did a workout. That's it, I just came to update you and say sorry for not speaking, but hopefully I'll be able to speak more tomorrow. I also have a mock test, I already told you, so hopefully that goes well. I'm sure it will, like it's open book, so that helps a bit, but we'll see. Wish me luck. Ugh, this filming angle, like it may not be the most attractive, but it's just the most comfortable, like sorry, I don't know if you can tell, but vlogging is not my forte. I just get awkward, like I'm literally by myself. Mental. But yeah, that's it. Good morning, friends. I'm wearing another hoodie. Basically, I had my test in a few minutes, and basically I didn't want to get like all dressed up just to do a test, so I'll get ready properly after. But wish me luck. I mean, this, like by the time you see the video, I will have done the test and got the answers, so, but, I mean, wish me luck anyway, for life, for general existence, and we'll see where the day takes us. That assessment was a joke, okay? I'll get the results back tomorrow, so we'll see, but oh boy. But now let's turn on to better things. So as I said yesterday, it's Richelle's birthday today, so I'm gonna make a cake. Obviously I'm not making it from scratch. Well, that's not obvious, but I'm not making it from scratch. But Betty Crocker I've asked her to sponsor me before. She hasn't replied. No hard feelings, but I got this in Lidl actually. It was £1.99, so I was like, may as well get it. I got this like a week or two ago, and then bam, Richelle's birthday, and I was like, oh, well, an excuse to eat it. So I need eggs, oil, jam, water, icing. Love, Betty. So we'll see if this is any good. I still haven't acquired a mixing bowl, so we're gonna use a pot. What else do I need? A baking tray, I'm borrowing my flatmates. Icing, borrowing my flatmates. Well, not borrowing because they're not paying that back. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully this is what you guys all wanted to see. You all wanted to see me bake. And if you wanted to see me bake before, like you want to see what else I made, I've made banana bread, I've made cookies, so check those videos out in the iCard. But yeah, let's go. Bish bash bosh. And yeah, don't worry, I will get changed. I won't show up to the party looking like this. Okay, let's go for real. I'm about to set a 22-minute timer and then check it every few minutes, and then I'll be able to put the other one in. The question is, should I make the icing now or should I wait a bit? Okay, maybe I'll make the icing when the second one's come out, because there's no point really making it now. Oh, I'm still gonna have to wait for it to cool. Hello? Trying to steal the show? But yeah, I don't even know what time it is because I'm using my phone. But I'll catch you in a few. As usual, I'm running late. But what's new? I mean, it's a picnic, so you can arrive when you want. But basically, I'm just used to my friends being like, sorry, I'm out of breath. Top floor vibes. But yeah, I'm used to my friends being late. Like if you say get there at 7, they'll get there at 8. So I need to rewire to Cambridge because apparently everyone's early. So, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. The second part of the cake is in the oven now. There was nothing there. Like it barely covered the bottom, which is probably why the first one took longer than expected. But I mean, it should still taste nice. Like it's gonna be covered in icing, so who gon' know? Who gon' tell them? So you know what? It's actually okay. And if it's thin, it means it will cool quickly. So it's actually all good. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed now. To see hands on your body. You feel my rhythm inside of you. Oh, I never knew. Made me feel brand new.
Well then, hello, I'll introduce myself. The name BC Hill, name is Hot Ladies Melt. Got a whole lot of lines that get stuck in my mind, but I ain't frontin' on it all. Let's get back and rewind. My motto, slow way, smile, ever since I could write. My bars show my style, better watch on the mic. And yeah, go full throttle if the melody's tight. Cause when I step and say a line, sure, it's something you like.
Shout out to Rosie who gave me the birthday candles. Happy birthday. I'm going to try and add some food colouring to this to make another pink. I don't know how much is too much. Whoa. Okay, so I'm just letting this chill for a bit, but I've even put some jam in there. Hopefully it actually tastes good. Fingers crossed. I found a pea. Happy birthday. I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is
I wanted, okay? This is the pastels. And this is what I got.
I'm so sorry, Richelle. I'm so sorry.
2, 3, 2, go 4. My heart stay falling when I'm walking through your door. No conversation about the waiting from last week. We both leave sweating like athletes. So you wanna roll with me and that's good. If you wanna start approaching me with that look, first glance, first dance had a man hooked. About to show her in the morning how a man cook. Hey, hey.
I feel your rhythm inside of me. What I like to see hands on your body. You feel my rhythm inside of you. Oh, I never knew. Made me feel brand new.
What you're listening to is my outro. Yes, that's right, you heard me, it's my outro. I don't wanna be demonetized, so just pretend that this sounds nice. Okay, bye from me and my outro. Here's my outro.